Assalamualaikum and greetings to our lecturer. Today, our group 11A will present about product life cycle. Our group members include Muhammad Syafiq bin Mustafa, Muhammad Izul Haikal bin Muhammad Rais, Muhammad Adib Farhan bin Muhammad Narawai, Ahmad Hassanain bin Hayatul Kamil, and me myself, Amal Amira binti Adani. Nowadays, some people seem to never notice that technology around them are constantly evolving. We somehow never realize that we are depending on technology that has been undergoing evolution by time. When the demand in technology suddenly arises in the market, some people will rely on it and some will have difficulty with it. These days, it appears like technology has taken over the world. As a result, we engineers are constantly hope to design a product using various sorts of material in response to some problem and requirements. As an engineer, we must adhere to certain guidelines in order to protect the environment. Design for Environment (DFE) is a set of guidelines that we must follow in order to minimize the environment impact of implementing all of the principles. Next, objective. First, to conduct a comparative life cycle assessment of a motorcycle. Second, to sketch and explain the process of sketching the motorcycle life cycle. Third, to complete the motorcycle eco-design web activity, discuss the process and obtaining the result. Lastly, to complete the motorcycle eco-indicator activity, discuss the process and obtaining the result. That's all from me. Proceed to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adib Farhan bin Muhammad Narawai. My metric number is B0519-100-58. So today I'm gonna cover for a literature review. So what is DFM? DFM is designed for manufacturability. It is the optimization of a part, product or component design to create it cheaper and more easily. DFM involves efficiently designing or engineering an object, generally during the product design stage, when it is easier and less expensive to do so, to reduce manufacturing costs. The benefit of DFM: first, lower production cost. Second, reduce assembly step and quantity of part. Third, catches and remove mistake or fault. After we understand about DFM, we can redesign our product for sustainability. First, we change the petrol fuel to the electric. It can reduce other components such as block, head, carburetor, exhaust, and engine. All these components will be covered by one component only, which is motor, to create a power. Combustion also cannot be exist anymore that produce the carbon monoxide, which is it can make the environment going bad. Second, we change the body frame from metal to carbon fiber. It can reduce the weight of motorcycle, where it is also help the engine or motor from produce a lot of power to cover the weight of motorcycle and rider. It is also help the rider handling the motor with easily and comfortable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Hassanain bin Hayatul Kamil. Now, I would like to talk about methodologies. Selection process in 3 steps. The step of screening, ranking, and supporting information. The screening step has the function of eliminating material process cannot meet the constraint. Next, the ranking step order the administrative solution using performance metrics based on the objective. In supporting information step, specific information is gathered about top ranked candidates. Some of it depend on the local situation of the company. Next, I will talk about some material of motorcycle part. The primary raw material used in the manufacture of the body of motorcycle are metal, plastic and rubber. The motorcycle frame is composed almost completely of metal, as are the wheel. The frame may be overlaid with plastic the tire are composed from rubber, the seat is made from a synthetic substance such as polyurethane. A cylindrical piston made of aluminum alloy preferred because it is lightweight and conduct heat well. Is an essential component of the engine. It is fitted with piston ring made of cast iron. The crankshaft and crankcase are made from aluminum. The engine also contains a cylinder barrel, typically made of cast iron and light alloy.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Mustafa. Today, I would like to present about the discussion of the motorcycle. For eco-design web, it helps us to know the level of the material that we use to produce product. For example, metal that is used in motorcycle. We need to know all the criteria of the material, such as the lifespan of the material, whether it can last long so that it can reduce the maintenance cost. Also, is the material is recyclable? For motorcycle, all material that used can be recycled to produce a new product with the same functions. Therefore, the advantage of this eco-design help this motorcycle product to maintain environmental sustainability and make the product more efficient. For eco-indicator is a numbers that express the total environmental load of a product process. On our product, there is 19,001.45 total of disposal material in some process. So after use eco-indicator, we can see how much the waste material that needs to reduce and make it as recyclable material. For the life cycle, all the part of the motorcycle must be recyclable so that the number of waste can be reduced. After take all the material from the resources, all materials needs to going manufacturing process. Then in this step, all the slack material need to notice so there is no waste happen in the manufacturing process. In motorcycle life cycle, all part will go through 4 stages, which is introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. There are several opinions that can be submitted to restore the environment and increase sustainability in the use of motorcycle. To have a positive impact on the environment, fuel consumption need to be reduced to a very low rate or eliminated altogether. A manufacturing company only needs to buy and use the necessary materials. The next step is avoid doing pollution. There is a process of making motorcycle that will cause pollution to the environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izul Haikal bin Muhammad Rais. Today I want to talk about conclusion. So the main goal of this assignment is to use an eco-design web and also eco-indicator to accomplish the comparative bicycle evaluation of an electric motorbike. In conclusion, one of the significant elements needed in the design process is the ecosystem design. The study was conducted to design and develop an electric motorcycle that affects the green, social, and economic climate. For the green world, this product can be enhanced when any material in the material that is more green has been changed. Thus, as the material can be recycled and can minimize disposal costs, the social and economical would be enhanced. Design research methods such as life cycle thought, eco-design web, and eco-indicators also perform the analysis process. Each component's life cycle is found by using this application where it can be measured and evaluated, which can be improved for a better product. So that's all from me. Thank you.